Ko Rangiuru te maunga, ko Kaituna te awa, ko te arawa te waka, ko Tapuika te whenua, ko Tapuika te tangata, ko Tapuika te iwi, ko Ngāti Tūheke te hapū, ko Makahai te marae, ko Jauha Komene tōku ingoa.
My name's Joel and born in the Bay of Plenty, and I whakapapa to Te Puke through my marae of Makahai and Ngāti Tūheke. For about 20 years now, I've been tapping a chisel. One of my friends was doing a bit of carving and invited me around to his place one day. Realised that it was something I really enjoyed doing. I thought it was important to get some formal training. So I went to Te Wānoa Aotearoa, ended up completing a whakairo degree, and then started making instruments, a whole bunch. That was my drive to begin with, to get into carving. And this has grown into a whole range of different things: weapons, gifts, instruments. And now I'm also getting into some larger scale public artworks. Our iwi was approached about how we can work together in terms of cultural aspects for the Rangiuru Business Park. For us, it's a much bigger picture than just the one bridge that we have out here. Across the Kaituna Bridge, which is our awa, our river, we had done some work down there, and there are 4 iwi involved in the project, and it was about finding a unifying symbol for all 4 iwi. One of the po there is called Te Pautumu Tangata, which represents the people who live upon the land. They stand either side of our river, and these are all key factors in identifying who we are as Māori in Te Puke, in Te Takapū o Tapuika. So the design that we've used for the Rangiuru Bridge is a design called Pūhoro. There are a number of iwi variations of this particular design. This one that we've used is unique to Te Arawa, and we've put some additions in there, which then makes it unique to Te Takapū o Tapuika, or this area. The pattern has 2 key components. One is speed and one is agility. Traditional times, this pattern was commonly seen on the front and the back of the waka, on the hull, and it was about the movement of the waka through the water. Bring it into the contemporary, now we have a whole range of different vehicles. We've got the speed of them travelling down the Tauranga Eastern Link, and the agile part is about when they come off the off-ramp and then go across the bridge. Obviously you need to slow down some turning and stuff like that. So bringing the traditional into the contemporary and linking to the old, to the tangata whenua, to the whakapapa of this land. Being tangata whenua myself, it's important that when I come here, I can connect visually through some of the people, some of the relationships that have been forged. All of these are really significant things to uplift our people, have us connected again with our lands, with our oceans and waterways, so that we again feel that we belong. Being able to use my creativity to achieve a number of different goals. First and foremost for my people, my hapu, my iwi. Secondly for the Rangiuru Business Park. And I suppose a really big part for me is to show my kids that there are really good opportunities to have a significant impact as Māori. I think it's important that we do acknowledge the Rangiuru Business Park for their openness to working with us as Tapuika. I think it can be a relationship with longevity. I can't see the business park going anywhere soon, and Tapuika is definitely not going anywhere. And I think it's important that this foundational relationship that we have, that we foster and grow that more and more into the future.